Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to find game on Poppo Live. There are two ways of finding game on Poppo Live. The first way is for you to find game on someone's live, while the second way is for you to find game on your own live. So if you want to find game on someone's live, this is what you have to do. You just have to click on any of the live of your choice. So clicking on the live, you're going to see a game option there. You just have to click on it, so you can now select any of the game you want to play. To be able to play this game, you have to be able to have reach wealth level 5 before you be able to play this game. The next way for you to be able to find game is for you to go live on your Poppo Live. So on my Poppo Live, all I just have to do is to click on game. Clicking on game, I just have to select any of the game I want to play and click on go live. And to be able to play this game on my live stream, I have to get to wealth level 4 before I'll be able to play game on my live stream on Poppo Live. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.